Alright guys, I'm at Leon's, I guess. Having, I guess, biscuits and sausage and gravy. I haven't had any of this in a while. Amber's having... What is that?
The omelet.
Omelet, okay. Amber's having an omelet. I'm having biscuits and gravy. I'll do an instant taste test here. Just a short test.
Very hot.
Oh, this is kind of falling apart here. I don't know, that's not a good sign here. Let's give it a taste if it doesn't burn my mouth.
It's really hot.
Pretty good. Not bad. Yeah, I like it.
Need some ketchup or something.
Good. You put what, ketchup on yours?
I don't know, need something.
How do you like yours? Yeah, you like it? So far?
Yours looks better than mine does.
Alright guys, yeah, I like it. Short review from Leon's with Amber. she's having